to the area where all the cruise ship people come off and buy all this cheap stuff, and yeah. These guys have been performing here in the square for, well, the first time I came here was almost 20 years ago, so that's that long. Well, maybe at least, no, it was probably maybe 15 years ago. Some kid trying to sell me some churros. You got no chocolate sauce, man. Not interested. Oh, I think I'm gonna get told off here now. Want some money? Hola. Hola. Yeah, I can do that for you. Yeah, no problem. No problem. So, basically, he just asked me for tips, which is fine. I would be doing this. It's hot out here. Hang on a rope, swinging around on cement, and I'm sure they do okay because there's quite a few people out here. So you can see a few minutes ago, one of the gentlemen did ask me for some money. I gave him some money. I gave him 20 pesos. He was happy. I got some great footage, and you know, sometimes I think ethically, sometimes, you know, that's just the way it is. You know, if I'm gonna sit here and videotape these guys and you know, use it and not even give them a little bit, then I'm kind of a jackass. So it's up to you when you come to that stuff, but you know, I just want to let you know that I actually did pay him, and I didn't pay him a lot, but he was so happy.